Hi guys, welcome to ICT Insider YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to set up parental control in Windows 10. And this feature provides you to control your member of your family that you allow to use uh, in your computer device by controlling the Microsoft account, like your family that you set up of computer. And so now we started to do that. Okay, the first thing you must you go to the setting and you go to the accounts, and after that you go to the family and other accounts. So in this it means that it allow you to add your member of your family in the account in the Windows. First is the local accounts and the other is the Microsoft accounts. Okay, right now we start to add the family account to the window. So you go to the family then and the other, and you click add the member. So you fill in the name of the account of Microsoft, like it seems to be like your child. It like if you don't have an account for your child yet, you can create one. So when you click create once and you try the name of the child account. Now I just create my child accounts and I try the Jenny's, Sandra's, and so this is available. If the name is not available, it said something said the problem and said account is already held. So you just click on that and you try the password for your child account and next and click next, and so they just want to what is your name of your account, like Jenny, and Jenny's Sunrose. So I click this Sunrose. Okay, the next. Okay, this is for the date and for the birthday. So the country region, I click on the United States. I click the United States. United States, and the dates I click on July. July, and the day is 7th and year in 2007. Okay, next. Okay, right now I'm start to manage on my family accounts. So when I click on that, it will link to my account in the online, like the website. So now you will see that is Jenny Sandra with my member, and they are okay. Now I said about the activity, so I just turn on the reporting of activity. So in these features, it can be next of my members, like like app and gaming. So in this feature, I show you about the screen time that set for our member or our child to prevent them to log in to our computer. So it provides you two. One is Xbox, is related to the gaming. So when they play the game or Xbox or something different, that they just use their account and they log in, so we can prevent them what time that they should be log in or play. So in the green is related to the allow and the gray is related to the block. So I think maybe this one is I'm not talking so much, so you can understand what what we should allow them to play or to log in. And this one is for Windows. So this one is how to log in all device of the Microsoft account, that you allow them to log in any of account in the device, in all device, like Microsoft Windows or Microsoft Phone Windows or App Store or something. To create by yourself, by annual by yourself, that what when or weeks day that allow them to use, or what time they allow them to use on the schedule. So you can customize by yourself. So now the screen time limit is finished. So I go to the app and a game limited. So how to add more device for your child can play, like at the computer, and this one is for you that can allow your member and click allow or block. So this a guide, and the Xbox control is for started. Is for Xbox control we use Xbox One and not Xbox 360. So Xbox, and open the guide and go to sign and let's add new. So this one is a game limited, so allow or block. And the mobiles, this one is for the smart app that allow you to connect to your family during want to track them to do anything. Okay, now I go to content restriction. So the content restriction is about how to manage them, to block them or allow them, or something that can be used or not. But before you start to do that, you need to authorize age, a limited age. I just focus on web browsing because in the web browsing we can manage all of our member to know which website or which of website that we allow and which website that we not allow or block. So I just turn on the website browsers, a web browser, and I allow and block to my member. In this website, I just example, I'm not supposed to say that either bad or good. Like now I just example for blog for Facebook.com, and I blow by YouTube.com. It's just sample. I'm not set up that is bad or good. It's just sample. So this one is appear by parent, allowed by parents. So they will email us and tell us that our member is a body. So this one is related to Microsoft account balance. Related to Microsoft balance is add money for our member. In this side, I'm not supposed to add so much money in that account because we can prevent anything happen by change, especially for hacker or hack your account or something like that. Okay, after we finish on the spending, we go to find your child feature. So this feature is provide us the app for your mobile to install that to track where's your lovely one stay now, like go home or work or school or anywhere. So in this, when you click on get my family safe, they will send you the link for download this app, install on your mobile or in your mobile. I click on get my family safe. If I want to get to install on that, I just typing the email. They can provide us both in iOS and Android. So yeah, I think maybe now my video is finished, and I hope that this video can help you to control your member to using everything in your device by Microsoft account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and comment and share. If you have any problem or point that do not clear, you can comment below my video. Thank you.